What's up, everybody? Y Davis here, back with another review, episode 7. Guys, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share button, do everything you can to help out this channel grow. Thank you guys for supporting me. I've been trying to drop a video like every week, staying consistent. But I know you guys are tired of me talking, so I'm gonna get right back into the shoe. And today, I have the Yeezy 700 SAFFLOWER for you guys. So it says no boost on the side, as you guys know. It just says 700 at the top because it does not have any boost technology. So I'm gonna open up the box, get right into it. It comes with some extra laces. I'm probably gonna start off with that part first. All right, so it's the cheapest of the 4 that came out so far. Reason being the color scheme of it. My opinion, I like it, one of the best ones. I like it better than the blue pair. Maybe because I wear a lot of green and I wear a lot of black, so it doesn't mess up my scheme and what I wear, but to each his own. They're going for about $280 right now, so if you're trying to sell a pair, you're probably not making anything, but if you're going for a pair, you're probably going to be spending 70 to 80 bucks over retail, which is not bad. And as you know, over time, these shoes go up, so you know, you can either play the waiting game or you can get it now and get it out the way, see how you guys like it. I went with a size 9.5 because I feel like they always run like a little bit smaller, but these fit really well and they feel really well. It doesn't feel like boost, but it feels comfortable, you know what I mean? But I'm gonna start off with the laces because we have some new laces technology here. It's infinity loop lace, so it's all one part, but you just pull it to get it tighter, which I think is pretty cool. You know how he's going for that futuristic look. So that's pretty cool, but it comes with the regular laces if you guys, you know what I mean, like to tie your shoes or whatever. I'm probably gonna keep it like this. I honestly think I could work with it better this way, but to each his own. Another thing about the shoe is on the bottom here, if you look at the gums, they look like they're worn a little bit, but I think that's pretty dope. It's like that khaki color on the bottom, and it has like that hint of orange there. So I like that. Going to the side of the shoe, this is hard right here. It's like some hard rubber or something. So I like that. Then you have this clear window here for the breathable, so your feet can breathe. For you fellas out there with stinky feet, or women out there with stinky feet, he looking out for y'all. And then you get these clear windows with hints of yellow in it, and you can actually see through them a little bit when you like go tilt the shoe like this. But you get some yellow windows there. It's like a mustard yellow, a little bit lighter than a mustard. Hopefully the camera can catch that. There you guys go. I think it's a nice shoe. And that's like on the mid, it's like taped around in some white. So it's like a dull white there. It's like taped around in a dull white. But I like it. I dig it. Can't wait to style these. And coming around to the back of the shoe, it just says Adidas there. Okay, the camera's zooming in on that, picking up on that. There we go. That's what that does. And then here on the toe of the shoe, it's like another beige coloring there. If I sit it down here, the camera picks it up better. Here, it's like a rubber, hard rubber. I wouldn't call it a suede, but it's like a rubber. It might be a mixture, honestly. But yeah, I don't know what to call it. But yeah, let's just go with rubber for now. Some type of rubber. Then coming up the middle of the shoe, hints of 3M right here and right here. And that's on both sides of the shoe as well. Already tipped you guys into what the laces is. So this shoe is all one shoe. Kind of like a sock. So all one shoe. These shoes do glow in the dark, but it's like very dull. So it's not as light as the other ones are. And I think that's because of the color scheme of the shoe, or maybe, I don't know, they didn't just feel like making it as dark. But use my handy dandy UV light here. You guys probably won't see it, but as I'm doing it here in the light. But I'm gonna show you a clip of these in the dark so you guys could get a better image of what I'm talking about when it glows in the dark. But yeah, they do glow, if you guys were wondering. I think it's pretty dope though. Feels amazing. Let me know if you guys are gonna pick these up. What do you guys think? Are these a no or these a go? I like them. I'm gonna put them on feet for you guys, but I had some apparel coming in. It's not here yet, so stay tuned for that video, a styling video. Hopefully I get a discount code for you guys soon, who knows? But yeah, stay tuned for an apparel video. And yeah, man, I'm gonna style these for you guys, and thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, show your boy some love, and stay tuned. Peace.